This is a series of 7 videos where I will demonstrate a wide range of Microsoft Excel keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can save a lot of time and increase productivity when working in Excel. In this first video, I will demonstrate 10 of the most frequently used keyboard shortcuts in Excel. Control S saves the spreadsheet. Control C copies the content and the formatting of a cell. You'll know the cell is copied when you see what Microsoft refers to as the animated moving border. This looks like a dashed border that's circling the cell in a clockwise fashion. Control V pastes the content and the formatting of the copied cell. Control X will cut the content and formatting from a cell and allow you to move it to a different cell. Control Z will undo the last action. Control Y will repeat the last action. F2 allows you to edit the active cell, and it puts the insertion point at the end of its contents. The escape key cancels an entry in the cell or the formula bar. For example, let's say we begin a formula in cell A11 and decide that we would actually rather just move to a different cell, but we cannot move to a different cell because that formula is referencing those cells. In order to cancel this, we use the escape key. Now we can move to other cells. Delete removes the contents from selected cells, that is, the data and the formulas, but it does not remove the formats or the comments. Alt shows key tips for ribbon shortcuts, which are called access keys. These access keys can be used to navigate to virtually everything located in the ribbon. For example, one thing that I do frequently is clear everything from a cell. That is, the content and the formatting. And to do this using access keys, we first activate the Home tab using the H access key, and then under the Editing section, we use the E access key to enter the Clear tab. And under Clear All, we have the A access key, which will clear all.